Let's see the solution of this one. Now if the function of x is equal to x cubed divided by 4 minus 3x, we should find any two critical points of the function, so we should identify the critical points that are a maximum and a minimum. So to do question A, to find the critical values, we need to find the first derivative of this function. Take the first derivative can equate to 0 could replace the values of x. Those values of x will be our critical values. So let's do first derivative of this one. Solution f prime of x akakwimilira first derivative mukazoti unotakhala tuwiri ngati chonchi as f chonchi tuwiri ndikuti second derivative, as chonchi titatu that's a third derivative, and so on and so forth. Nditingofuna ife your first derivative. So we have this one, x there is equal to we can use the quotient rule. Or yomwe ija ya obvious ija ndikuti tinga 3 timbweretsa uku yomwe idzakhala ngati 3x, komano x azakhala raised to the power 2 chifukwa timachotsera ndi 1. Ine constant ikhala imene ili. Apa ndikuti pali pa 1, ndikuti 1 yazabwera uku azatimes ndi 3, then idzachotsera ndi 1, ndikuti it will be 3x raised to the power 0, and 3x raised to the power 0 chimodzimodzi 1 apa, so idzakhala 1 times 3 which is 3. Ndikuti apo you're gonna have 3x then squared, like I say 3 minus 1 that's 2, then divided by 4 is equal to not is equal to but minus, sorry, minus 3. That's our first derivative. Then we need to find the values of x after we equate this first derivative is equal to 0. So you're gonna have this one, tikapanga dawa is equal to 0, my values of x it is 0, those will be our critical values. So we have here 3x to the power 2 divided by 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we're gonna take this guy akapita uku, ndo negative akapita kwa positive, so it will be 3x squared divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then we're gonna do cross multiplication. Ndikuti 1 atimusana ndi 3x square, which will give us 3x square, and 4 divided times 3, sorry, that's 4 multiplied by 3, answer will be 12. So to find the value of x, we're gonna divide both sides by 3, also to cancel the 3. So what will happen is there, 3 and 3 will cancel, remaining with x squared, and a dao answer and 4. So we're gonna have x squared is equal to 4. Then to find the value of x, we're gonna square root both sides. So we're going to square root, we also square root. So this one and that one will cancel, remaining with the values of x as the positive or minus 2. These are our critical values. That is our critical values. Then to find the critical points, ready? According to the question, to find the critical points, we need to find the value of y. So if you can go back to our function here, you come to f of x. This one can also be written as y, since it's f of x is equal to x cubed divided by 4 minus 3x. Chimeti pange adawu ndinokuda kuimira ngati y, So we need to find the value of y when x is equal to positive 2 or negative 2. So titenge zimene zizi tiziko multiples value ya y. So we're gonna have f of positive 2 choyamba is equal to pali x tikuyikapo 2, so rectangle 2 cube divided by 4, then minus 3 also tikuyika 2. Then we did 2 raised to the power 3, that's 8 divided by 4, then minus 2 times 3, that's 6. So 8 divided by 4, that's 2, minus 6, answer it was negative 4. Bateka ndikuti tapeza critical point yoyamba as x ndi positive 2, y ndi negative 4. Bateka. Then next there is another critical point when x and negative 2. So we're gonna have there f of x, f of negative 2 is equal to apatika negative 2 cube divided by 4, then minus 3 here negative 2. Negative 2 cube, it's like a 2 atatu, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Then negative 8 will go into 4. Then here negative that was a positive. To negative number times negative number, that's positive. 2 times 3, answer is 6. So we're gonna have here negative 8 divided by 4, answer it's negative 2. Then plus 6, our answer will be positive 4. And we got another critical point. X are negative 2, y in the positive 4. And is a tail. And according to the question, these are our critical points. Then question number B, we should identify the critical points which are maximum and the minimum. And you can just use maso yetu kungoona timayang'ana y kuti maximum nduti nanga minimum nduti. So you can see y apa, that's negative 4. You can color graph nekuti ine kanabwera uku ine ndikuwelemera uku. So tindi positive 4 ndi negative 4, nekuti this is minimum and this is maximum. By looking at the values of y per coordinate ya y, ngoze kuti amene yo atokala maximum or minimum kungoyang'ana ma values. So apa ndi negative 4, uyu ndi positive 4, uyu yakuyimirira maximum. Uyu yakuyimirira minimum. Forget what's a minimum value of y. Olo china chomwe timapanga if you are to solve this one, timapanga second derivative like ngati theory ka we need to find the second derivative. So second derivative, then tizapanga substitute value of x, ikazati patsa greater than 0 tizangodziwa kuti imene that's our minimum. Imakhala opposite is true. Komanso second derivative of yemweyo tikazapanga substitute with x, answer ikazakhala less than 0, imene that's our maximum. Let's do second derivative, then tizapanga substitute values of x. So second derivative, remember first derivative inatipatsa kuti ndi 3x squared, then divided by 4 minus 3. The second derivative, if prime or if double prime is equal to 2 as a below. Akazate musana ndi 3 dzalipatsa 6, then x raised to the power 2 minus 1, which is 1, so ngokhala 6x. And adawa angokhala mmene alili apa. It's a constant. Then the derivative ya adawa, that's 0. So here it's like minus 0. So minus 0 tingochisiya mmene chilili. Then tipange substitute ma values of x. So apa tindi minus 2, apo tindi plus 2. So ndiyambe ndi plus 2. So tike plus 2. So tipange f prime of plus 2 is equal to 6. Then here to get plus 2, then divide by 4. 6 times 2, that's 12. 12 divided by 4, answer and 3. 12 divided by 4, answer and 3. And then you can see with this 3 is greater than 1, is greater than 0. So it will be ngati greater than 0, that critical point when you take x, and that's minimum. That is why you can minimum. Tapanga substitute positive 2. Let's try to substitute negative 2. It is only ngati what's maximum. So umumu tingoika mo negative 2. So we're gonna have here f double prime of negative 2 is equal to 6 here negative 2, then divided by 4. Negative 2 times 6, answer it's negative 12. Then divided by 4, answer it's less than, less 3, yeah, which is negative 3. So you can see with this value here is less than 0. So in magamba zoti ngati less than 0, I mean that's our maximum. You see, that's our maximum point. So you can see with the negative up by looking at the values, you can see value why it's positive, even the moment that's a maximum. So that's how you can solve this thing. Hello my guys, but please, if you have enjoyed the video, also all of you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as liking my Facebook page, Unique Online Classes Malawi. So that's it for this video.